What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and today you join me at a Houston Whips meet here in Katy, Texas at Fuzzy's Tacos here. We're running a little bit late to this one because that last meet I was at, there was a bunch of cars that I wanted to get leaving that just took a little bit of time to leave. But there's still lots of cool cars here, so let's get checking some stuff out. Let me know what your favorite car is in today's video down in the comments below. Remember, I sell cars at Parkway Chevrolet. You can email me or DM me. I'll put them both on screen here. Let's put a dream in your driveway. I have all sorts of new Chevys. I have any pre-owned vehicle you want, and I can work with any credit, good, bad, or no credit. And also, I'm hosting a car meet here at the end of the month, so I'll put the flyer on the screen here. Hope to see you guys there. And on that note, let's get on to the show. We're just gonna hop straight out and go right back to some cars that were at the last meet we were at. We got all these super clean vets, including Houston's possibly cleanest CR1. That thing is so nice. And the HRE is looking good in the white. We got the supercharged C5 Z06, and then the Inferno Orange Grand Sport. This guy's going to join the Corvette friends, the Corvette brothers over there. That ain't barely even a little incline he scraped. That's crazy. I'm gonna come shine some light on this little Hellcat here. I love wide body chargers on these deep concave type drag packs. Got some welds all the way around. This thing is really clean. Then over here, tucked away in the corner, we got some more Mopars. We got the black and purple wide body charger, and then this insane stance TRX. I shouldn't say stance, it just looks good. It has a good stance to it. Some nice wheels. Looks like maybe a little Loveling kit or something, I don't know, but very clean with the black and red. Then over here we got a nice little CT4V, looks like a blue 6th gen SS1LE with the most insane looking intake manifold I've ever seen in my entire life. That thing looks wild. Keep on going down the line, we got another 6th gen Camaro here with a high ram on it. Looking nice. Sure, he put some power down. There we go. Then over here, couple Beamers, and we got a supercharged S550 Mustang here with that ESS. Is that an ESS or a Vortec? It is a Vortec supercharger. Some sort of V8 powered 392 300. Sometimes I forget how to talk. We got a twin turbo Mustang rolling up over there. Got a bunch of stuff going on. Round out the guys over here with this Vortec Mustang. We've got a Scat Pack, wide body Scat Pack, and a very clean indigo blue Charger Hellcat. Looking good. And we've got a blue S550, and then another supercharged S550. There we go. We got the twin turbo S550 Mustang rolling in. There we go. Some Bellics, can't hide that big money. God dang, brother. Is this boy two-stepping the power stroke? Do it again. He ain't gonna do it again. Oh man, that sounded ridiculous. So dark. Wide body Scat Pack rolling out. There you go. Love that color, F8 green. Nice. La Mamelona Cup. Single cab. And then this boy. Some boys, C7Z, M3, Subaru. Going like high, like Seriously, my friend.
Going out there. I mean, everything's slowed down, so.
Right. I sold this car. Damn, son. Title. We got some cool stuff about to roll out, like this Charger Hellcat, the Hellkeezy.
Right to the back.
Last but certainly not least, we got the Lexus ISF rolling out here. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that concludes today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. There was lots of sick builds out here and some great sins, so let me know what your favorite car was down in the comments below. It's starting to rain on me here, so we got to get back in the car and get on home. But like I said, let me know what your favorite car was in today's video down in the comments below. Remember, I sell cars at Parkway Chevrolet, and let's get you rolling. Let's put a dream in your driveway. And on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.